horizontal with ground.
Yeah, exactly. Like, whoa.
We went all the way up. We went almost all the way up the second time.
I know, don't hold on too tight.
All right, whenever you're ready.
Is that Anna screaming?
Yeah.
That one couple didn't.
I think she was so scared she just
Her feet are like wrapped around.
Yeah.
Right under the wire. You guys are coming tomorrow. Who knows?
Oh my god, we're turning.
Oh, that's nothing.
All right, so it's on the left. It's wrapped up in your feet. Oh no! It was fine. It was fine. It was pull back down in front.
Your video.
There you go. No, it's fine though. It's fine.
Oh,
We got it.
over here. It's
It
gonna
didn't flip over on you guys.
Oh, it's still taping. I wasn't taping the whole time. Now it's taping.
This is still just terrifying for you right now. Every single part of the process is the scariest. You guys want to go again?
Yes.
Yeah.
She's my boss, clearly.
All right. There's